we will study regarding what? DRAM, that is dynamic RAM. The design of DRAM is very simple. We are going to make use of one transistor and one capacitor. Here in the SRAM we have seen that here two NOT gates were acting as what? They were acting as a memory, whereas for storing purpose, whereas in this particular DRAM we are going to make use of what? Capacitor for storing the data. Either it will be storing 0 or else 1. Okay, if the capacitor is in the stored form, if the charges are stored, then it is acting as 1, and if it is in the discharge form, then we will tell it as it is storing 0. Okay, and it is also provided with bit line as well as what? WLAN, that is word line. Okay, now what happens is it is provided with what? A bit line as well as a word line. When the word line is in the on state, the transistor will be, if the word line is equal to 1, the transistor will be in the on state. If the transistor is in the on state, the data can be written or else read from this capacitor. Okay, now if it come through the bit line, it is done. If the word line is equal to 0, what happens? This transistor will be in the off state. The data will be stored in this particular capacitor itself. Now what happens is sometimes there is a leakage of the charges from this capacitor. Henceforth, if the leakage of this, charges in this capacitor takes place, what happens is loss of data will happen for us. Loss of data will takes place. Henceforth, what they do is they are going to refresh here. After refreshing, what happens? Continuously the data will be stored in this particular capacitor itself.